Ooh. So it actually arrived after months and months of complaining. It's actually here. And when you're about to see it, keep in mind it's the first time I've done a top-down unboxing video, so I had nerves when I was doing that. And it's also the first time that I'm unboxing a new iPhone since 2013. Obviously, this is the last iPhone I owned, but when I bought this, the iPhone 7 was released already, so it wasn't that exciting. So you can see the excitement, well, and you can judge for yourself. Enjoy. So this thing has finally arrived. Oh, well, like 5 minutes ago. And it's time to say goodbye to this old buddy, my iPhone, my trusted iPhone 6s. You've been with me for so long. You're still very, well, clean, very, very clean, but very, very old. And it's time to say goodbye to you. Let's just dive right into it. This is our main event, right here. iPhone 12, jumping from the 6S to the 12. So how do we? So let's use our trusted blade. No. Okay, there's this thing. Okay, I guess this works better. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna break it. No. Let's try again. Okay, here we go. And it's... please open! Open. What do we have inside? It's wrapped in plastic, as I can see. It doesn't want to leave the box. Okay. Here we go. Please get out. There's so many different plasticky things. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. It's really small. I mean, obviously I've seen so many videos about it, so we'll just get rid of this thing. It's really, really small. It looks like a manual that you will get with like a car or something. It's really tiny. It says iPhone. Is this blue? The sticker is not blue. Is it blue? Maybe it is. There's a plasticky thing. Let me show you it says, oh, it doesn't want to focus. iPhone 12 blue, 128 gigabytes. That's the model I have. And yeah, please focus. Focus, please. Let's do this. Let's hear the sound. The amazing. Ooh, fancy schmancy. Let's get rid of this plastic. And now it's time for... Ooh. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. If I'm being honest, guys, when I ordered this phone, I thought maybe it would look ugly because of the photos and how it looks. Honestly, it looks insane. I actually like it. Goodness. Okay, so let's get rid of this phone for a second. Oh, wow, wow. Okay. Okay, I'm in awe. I actually am in awe. I'll leave it for now. We have the lightning cable. Let's just take a look at the stickers. Why don't we? It's the SIM card tool, some manual. I'm shaking, jeez. And the Apple sticker, and that's it. It's been a while since I had a new phone, since I had a new iPhone, and you can tell. Yeah, so this is the phone. Let's take a look at it. Okay, we'll do this again. Ooh, it's so satisfying. The phone is here. Let's keep this here for now. Oh, let's get rid of it. The blue is actually Very, very nice. So this is my previous phone, the 700-year-old phone, and this is my new iPhone in blue. Actually, you know what? I had so many reservations, and my friends will attest to that about this color, but it looks stunning. It looks stunning. Maybe the camera doesn't pick it up quite as well. It's not as light as, because in studios, because I'm using sunlight in this video, people maybe blast it with studio lights, so it looks lighter than it is. It's really like this deep blue color, maybe like dark jeans kind of color, navy. It's not that light as you've seen in the videos, maybe. So we have it's really dark. It doesn't really want to focus, does it? So we have the same mute switch, the volume rockers. The SIM tray is on the left. It was on the right in my previous phone. And you have the same lightning port. And on the right, there's the power button. And you see the beautiful, 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 beautiful camera layout. This is my old tiny camera. The camera became massive. And let's switch it on and go on from there. That's all we get. This is the new iPhone in blue. And I'm excited to try it out. That's it. This is the iPhone 12. And it's finally here. And well, the first impressions I have is this thing looks slick. It looks nice. It looks cool. And when I ordered it, I based it off the promotional material and the keynote. And I thought to myself, this blue iPhone looks amazing. And then I pre-ordered it. And then I looked at the unboxing videos that surfaced online. And they always seem to have an iPhone 12 in blue that looks like a plasticky toy phone. And I thought, when I do my video, I'm not going to light it to the extreme, and I will make it look as much as possible the way it looks in real life. And I guess this is it. It's a very dark blue. It's not as plasticky looking, as cheap looking as other videos, and I really, really like it. In the beginning, I was annoying all of my friends, telling them that maybe I should change the color, change the order to change the color. But now that I look at it, it's beautiful. It's so nice, and I'm gushing over it, and I'm fanboying over it. It's because it actually looks nice. Obviously, it has a similar design to the iPhone 11, but it's a squared off thing. It's a square design, and what can I say? It's flat. It looks familiar, but it's different. The new colors are cool, and it's a fingerprint magnet. As with any glossy finish, it's a fingerprint magnet, and maybe the camera can't pick it up. So the first impressions I have of this device is, God, it's quite a big jumping from a 6S to an iPhone 12. Actually, and now that I use this LED screen, I have been using it for 3 hours. It actually looks stunning. The real estate, the extra space you have. Maybe many of you will be considering jumping from an iPhone, like an iPhone 8 or an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 6S, just like me, to an iPhone 12 that has like this edge-to-edge screen with the notch, I know, but it is actually stunning to look at. And initially, I didn't think that the LED screen would do anything for me, but it actually does. It looks more contrasty, it looks more sharp. And I really like it in terms of that. In terms of sizing, I was afraid that jumping from a smaller device, such as the iPhone 6S, to the iPhone 11 would be a hurdle for me, because I don't really like big phones. That's why I considered the Mini for a while, until I saw that the battery life is not that good. But actually, if I put them side to side, this is the regular iPhone 12. So how small is the Mini one? Is it like tiny Mini one? They're very similar in size. Let me hold it like this. And you can see that the iPhone 12 is actually not that significantly larger than the iPhone 6S. And that maybe is a good thing for people who want to buy the regular 12. But if you want to have that big boy, that big screen, you would have to opt in for the 12 Pro Max model. When it comes to this, I really like it, but I would want to see the other blue color, because in videos and everything I saw, it looked more beautiful, more luxurious. So I guess the people who want to have the more luxury, the more fancy looking device would go to the Pro models. The camera, first impressions, it's leaps and bounds better than the iPhone 6s. Battery, same. Speakers, same. Speakers is a big thing that no one really talks about. But when you jump from so many generations ahead, you notice these things. The vibration motor, the speaker is actually better. And one thing that is surprising, it's quite light. I don't know if it's the aluminum finish, if the Pro models would be heavier, but it's really comfortable to hold. That's my first thought. It's really fast. It's really, really fast. And I feel like this device would be my device of choice for maybe another 5 years to come. And maybe the next video would be jumping from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 17. But I'll be thinking of making a video like a camera test or a speed test maybe. But I won't be doing any scratch test or a drop test or bend test, because this thing is precious, and you can see as you have already seen in the unboxing section, I was really afraid of carrying it, and I still am. One thing I don't know is, am I gonna put a case on it and hide how beautiful this thing looks? I'm not gonna get a clear case, because clear cases get gray after a while. But I think I'll definitely get a screen protector, because one thing, if you are in the market for iPhone 12s, once you buy it, it scratches really easily. I didn't scratch mine yet, but they're saying because of this new coating material that Apple is using, it's really, really, really prone to scratches. So get a screen protector as soon as possible. But I'll be looking for a new cover, and I'll be doing some new tests. No drop test from me. Maybe next time I do an iPhone unboxing, it's gonna be the iPhone 17. But I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me go through this experience. And tell me what you think. Do you think unboxing videos are appealing? And which iPhone or which phone are you using now? And if you plan to upgrade, then have a wonderful day. This is my final try. It's here. This is the box. For additional information, call Chemtrek 1-800. Yeah, I don't care. I think this is just a battery thing. I have my trusted iPhone 6s that has survived for so long. It's still squeaky clean. I'm gonna miss you, buddy. You're still working. Goodbye for now. This is the main event.